Hello everyone, I know it's the last day of July and I apologize. I kind of forgot about advertising this sale on my YouTube channel, but there's still one day left, so hopefully some of you guys will see this in time to take advantage of it. But basically, all of my courses on open source GIS are available right now for $9.99 on udemy.com. And that $9.99 is in US dollars, but the way Udemy works is that they adjust the price depending on the country that you are in. So you may find that it's less than that, sometimes considerably less than that in developing countries. And the best way to take advantage of this sale is to go to my blog, that's at millermountain.com, and look at the courses page. So there's a link right there, but you can just search in Google for geospatial brainstorming courses, and it should pop right up in Google, at least after all the paid promotions. And so these courses include a whole series of courses on web development for geospatial applications, and for QGIS, which is a desktop GIS that's open source. It includes courses on PostGIS and spatial databases, on GeoServer, which allows you to publish your GIS data to be used in web maps or possibly other applications that you can serve over the internet as well. There's a series of courses on Python programming for geospatial applications and also for mobile GIS development. And of course on Udemy, all of these courses are available 24/7. You have lifetime access to them, so you can buy them now when they're cheap. They'll never be cheaper than this. But you can wait to learn until you have time. And again, to take advantage of this, you can go to my courses page and there'll be links to all those courses on Udemy. And when you go there, you just use the coupon code July 2020 when you check out and you'll get that discount. So again, I apologize for not getting this on YouTube earlier, but hopefully you'll still have a chance to save.